Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video, we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting decimals. So we're going to do that with a couple of examples. The first example is we're going to add together 2.47 and 3.2. Now, a key point here is you must line up the decimal points. So where the decimal point is of each number, you keep them lined up like so, so that when you add them up using the column method, all of the decimal places will line up and you will get a correct value for your final answer. So a good tip is to fill up a row with zeros if you want to. So in my second decimal, 3.2, because it's only a one decimal place decimal, I've put a 0 in here just to replace the missing digit compared to the other decimal, which has two decimal places. Then we can just add them up as normal using the column method. So 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. And that gives me a final answer then of 5.67. In my second example, I'm going to show you another addition and a subtraction. It's important to remember using the column method that all of the rules, including things like carrying and borrowing, still apply. So in this second example, we've got 12.573 and we're going to add 0.68. After I've lined up my decimals and added any zeros if I need to, if I need to carry, then I do that as normal according to the column method. So 3 plus 0 is 3 and 7 plus 8 is 15. Now I place my carried ones underneath, but if you place them on top, that's up to you. Then we have 5 plus 6, which is 11, plus 1 is 12. Carry another 1. 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. And then my final 1, which comes in front, for a final answer of 13.253. My final example then is a subtraction. And again, I've got all of my decimal points lined up. So my place values are in the right place. And I start with 7 subtract 6, which is 1. Then I have 2 subtract 5, so I'm going to need to borrow from the 4. That turns to 3, and the 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 5 gives me 7. 3 minus 2 gives me 1, and 9 minus 1 gives me 8, for a final answer of 81.71. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, and don't forget to check out the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.